Hello everyone, I am your art and craft teacher Rehana Merchant. Today we are going to learn snowflakes flower, three types of snowflakes flowers made from paper. So first you take paper and fold it into four parts and cut it like this. Take one part and fold it in a triangle. Again one fold and then draw three lines an equal distance and cut it. Then open it. First fold like this and stick it. It takes time. Turn your paper and this side, stick the corner. Again you flip the side and stick third triangle. See like this. See how it is. Now last time you flip the side and stick corner. So it's look like this. Now make more 5 parts. I am going to stick all 6 parts. We'll do next snowflakes flower. Fold the paper like this. See and draw the same side what I show you in video. What we draw, this part you cut. Then open the fold and start to cut what you see in the video. Slant, see like this you cut the petal. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Now we will open it. It is very delicate, so take extra care. See, it's look like this. I made one more. Now we'll do small flower. Again we'll cut this. Hope you guys enjoying my video. You can follow me on Instagram also. My page is Rehana Merchant and Rehana Art Classes. I stick all the flower one on top of the other and stick diamond in center. Come on, we'll do next flower. Again fold the paper in 4 parts and then fold like this and you draw curves this way 1, 2 and 3 and cut it. Please hit the like button. Now open it. See, I made one more. We stick flower on top of the other flower. First we stick the petal. See how I stick it. Fold it and stick it in the middle. Second flower, you stick it in the center. See, one diamond, pin it in center. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Rehana Merchant and second Rehana Art Classes. Hope you guys enjoying my video. So today we learn three types of snowflake flower. Thank you very much. Hope you all like it.